teammates. Ayan, si Lee. Get ready for the next game. That is a neck-to-neck match.
15. 15 ba yung last?
Serving, Kiazon, 4 Chargers. Some touch. By Castro. Service error. Serving Albique. Bola, Usmi. Cordero.
Ayun, game 5. Game 5. Game 5 mo. Tapos yung game 5 ng Akal. 18-20. Ang sino ko pa service.
Service ace by Albique.
Ay mo wala na sino ko ba?
Outside attack by Galon. Too much angle in that single block. Serving Jersey 21, Gaza. This time, it goes in. Serving Johnson.
Sino nag-ano dito? Ma'am Day.
Block by Aguas. Solid block. What a nice 1-2-3 by mga Pagal. I think that is 2-1 game.
21 sa
May bearing ng game na to kung sino ang mananalo. May pag-asa pa. At kung sino ang matatalo. Medyo nasa laylayan na kamukha ng team Petrogas. Alba. Service A, Barbarol. Score, 6-4, 2.8 by Timacari. Service A again by Mr. Baron. Official score, 7-4. 3.8 by Timacari. Outside.
Now serving for Team PLDT, Mr. Japong. Received by Garong, set to Richmond. Makapagal to Ate Chloe. Nice big pero hindi narapol. Official score 7-6. 1 point lead by Team Akari. Kevin naman sana. Ayun na siya! Wala pa din. Let's go for net to Kevin. Inside. Now serving. Net. Ate net. Nice service. Outside. Outside po. Official score. 8-7. 1 point lead by Team Akari. Now serving. Mr. Pau. Soft touch. Makapagaw to Chloe. Yung patience na lang yung Chloe. Pay na lang. Now serving. Richmond. 2 point lead by Team Akari. James receive. Pau to play. Block. Nice block by Mr. Trev. Official score 10-7. 3 point lead by Team Akari. Nakatayo. Mr. Benjamin Smith. Mr. Pau. Panara. Panay tayo na yung judge. Magilas yun. Now serving. Yung Prisha, official score 10-8 in favor of Team Akari. Now beaten to Johnson. Nice skill. Ito na siya. Binigyan ng isang palo at pinalabas. Mr. Kevin on the service line. Postura. Service. Nice receive. Foul to Aguas. Garong receive. Outbeaten to Garong. Not over. Hindi ko nakita. Pumasok pala, hindi ko nakita. Malaksak sa lalim. Kevin Quezon again. Best server. Best player. Best in all. Nice one, net. Let's go unbeaten. Hindi, sabi ko kasi medyo net daw. Garong, to unbeaten. Nasisilawan daw si Mr. Quezon. Official score, 13-8. 5 point lead by Team Akari Chargers. Still serving. The number 1 best outside spiker, Kevin Quezon. Again. Nice one, net. Meow touch. Ayan na, ipabalik. Garong. Through the block of Mr. Aguas. Official score 14-8. Still serving. The best player. 10 out of 10. Mr. Kevin Quezon. Ay? Bakala? Sa tipa mo yung trophy natin. Now serving jersey number 6, Canares. For Team PLDT. Speed hitters. Ay, siya. Na-receive. Libero. Chloe. Jampong. Nice dive. Mr. Quezon. Official score 14-10. 4 point lead. Nice receive. Let. Albita to Garong. Garong soft touch. Nandun si Mr. Pau. Look Prisha. Back row. Straight to the left. Score 15-10. 5 point lead by Team Akari Chargers. Now serving wearing jersey number 11, outbeaten. Nice serve. Regalo! Smile ka naman dyan, Mr. Kevin Quezon. Still serving. Outbeaten. Mapolma. Oh. Nandun si Prisha. Regalo again! Official score, 16-10. 6-point lead by Team Akari. 17 na. Lumala pa. Next game, Creamline versus the undefeated, the number 1 team of the league, Petrogas. Sino na sa serve? Ate Gaza, ma-receive, best receiver Quezon. To Jason, ay shot. Smart move there by Mr. Johnson. Official score, 18-11. 7-point lead by Team Akari. Shoot to Jampong, straight to Richmond. Alpita chooses the wrong. Soft touch. Ayun na una si Neves by inside. The wrong to Alpite. Chooses Netnet. Soft touch by Ate Netnet.
Parang kayo eh.
On the service side, Mr. Garo with jersey number 20. Score 19-12. Outside. Score 19-30. 6-point lead. Medyo pa magalit. Wala pang ginagawa yung bata. Nice receive Netnet. Outbeaten to Kevin. Atin ang brain ate. No check.
Delikado pa pala kayo.
On the service line, Miss Letlet for the win. Nice service.
Dito pwede pa kayo mag-tie. Pero panalo kayo. Ano?
Now serving, Mr. Pao Makapagal. Official score, 20-14. Received by Quezon. Ibalik kay Mr. Quezon. Let me see. Abisante. Nice one. Next game, ang inaabangan, ang pagbabalik ni Roblox. Ni Remy Palma. Nakabukado ni Gemma Galanza. Pero kasi katawan na son.